Hello guys, welcome back again. Today's let's talk about YouTube. So actually a few moments ago there's a problem with my video that I post on YouTube. The video that I post before, it should be as a YouTube video, but then YouTube detect it as a short video. So it makes me so confused because I think it was just as same as like uh, the old setting from YouTube, that any aspect ratio of your video, when you post it as a YouTube video, it will be a YouTube video, not detect as a short. But then that problem happened, and then I try to figure it out. What's the problem that makes the video, my YouTube video, detect as a short video? And then I realized some things. So the first problem is the things on the duration of your video. So if you have a portrait video like this one, and the duration from the video is under 3 minutes, the YouTube will automatically detect it as a short video. So how to have a conclusion of that problem is by change the aspect ratio from your video. So when you record a video, maybe a screen record, and you record it using your phone, and you have this portrait ratio of a video, so you need to go to your CapCut like this, and then here on this toolbar you just need to find this aspect ratio, and then click it, and now use this 16 times 9, this one. This is a YouTube video size like this, and then just click it and hit the check button. Okay, the next part, you just need to maybe duplicate this clip like that, or maybe insert another element onto this frame, so make it like it's a full video clip, kind of like that. So when you have maybe like less than 3 minutes video, and then you upload it, and then you have this kind of style of ratio, the YouTube will not detect it as a YouTube Shorts video, and the problem will be solved. And that's the way how to do that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.